Hey dolls, welcome to my Valentine's Day Get Ready With Me video featuring this classic red lip and these super glam lashes. And I had to hit y'all with the highlight and hitting y'all with some edges too. I'm hitting y'all with it today, okay? So if you want to see how I got this look, definitely keep watching, subscribe, comment, turn on your post notifications because I'm so big, okay? Get into it. Always remember, we do not come to play, come to slay, okay? So we're starting off with our foundation stick from Black Opal in the shade Carrot. And we're just covering up our blemishes, our dark spots, everything. Okay. And then we're gonna blend it out. Clean up under our eyebrows a little bit with the beauty blender and continue to blend. Ooh, 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 my belly. Ooh, 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 my belly. Ooh, 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 my belly. Whoa. Jen, her usual. Y'all know the vibe. So after that, we're gonna go in with another foundation stick by Black Opal in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and that's just gonna brighten up our under eyes a little bit and begin our highlighting process. And then we're gonna blend it out. Put me up in the bed. Bunny, 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 bunny. Back, back. Back, back. Back, back. Hey, God. Then we're gonna go in with our LA Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and we're gonna pop that right under our eyes. And this is really gonna give us this highlighted look that we want. Pop it on forehead a little bit. We're going for a glam look, so that's why I'm making sure I'm putting both highlights on my forehead. This is Valentine's Day. We're jamming. Then we're going to set with our Airspun mixed with Topaz by Ben Nye. And we're popping that right in our eyes. Also, I think I have some Sasha Buttercup in my setting powder mix. I use all three. And then we're just going to dust the excess away. I'm going with a contour palette. I'm gonna contour those cheekbones, honey. And down the bridge of our nose, on the side of the bridge of our nose. And on our colors of our cheeks and our forehead. And we're going to go with our Modern Renaissance palette. We're going to go in with Cypress Umber with a nice precision brush and really pop that in our crease and our outer V. Then we're going to go in with the burnt orange to soften up Cypress Umber so it's not too harsh and too dark. I want to give my eye some dimension, but I don't want it to be too smoky because it's Valentine's Day and I'm doing a classic red lip. I want my lips to be my focal point. So now I'm going to go in with my Solar Flare palette in the eyeshadow wavelength with a very small shadow brush. I'm going to pop that in my tear duct. And go in as much as you need to get the right amount of pop that you want in your tear duct. Some people like a little bit, some people like a lot. That's what I like right there. So do it to your liking. And now we're going to go in with these really, really glam lashes that I got from Cali Mink's lashes. They're really, really gorgeous. They're super glam. That's why I had to use them for this video and this date night look. It's amazing. So if you want to see some other lashes that she has, her name on IG is Cali.Minkshop, CALI.MINK shop. So check her out. Tell her I sent you. And I'm just popping those on. Bam. And we're going to get started with the lips. So first I'm going to go in with Current by MAC. It's a lip liner. It's like a purple plumish lip liner. And I'm just going to line my lips with that first. Then I'm going to go in with a brown, a dark brown, and really define and deepen up the liner that I already put with Current. Then I'm going to go in with Ruby Woo from MAC. And that's going to be the first lipstick that I put on the first layer of red. And I just want to make sure I have an even coat before I go in with my other lipstick. And this lipstick that really gives this bright popping red is Rihanna's Stunna lip paint. It is the truth. So as you can see, I'm just putting it on and focusing the lip paint in the middle of my lips and keeping the out of my lips a little bit more free so I can go back in with my liner later on in the video. Go back and just deepen up that liner. And now we're going to put some highlight. My favorite part. This is why girls take forever to get ready. We jam a whole session. you can have it, but don't take it for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there. Hey, Brook it, set it, brook it, set it, brook and set. Whoa. All right, back to the highlight. We're going in with gold deposit and we're popping that right on our cheekbones. Oh, look how gorgeous this highlighter is. It's my go-to. No lie, when I put this on, I can't stop. Like, I just keep going. You get lazy. Then we're going to go back in with that dark brown liner after our Stunna lip paint has dried because it is wet. So now that it's dried, then I can go in and really define my lips by lining it over again and deepen it as much as I want and making sure everything is seamless and flawless. Then I'm going to take the excess highlighter from Gold Deposit and put it on my Cupid's bow. And that's the finished look. Here we have it.